Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to connect an existing domain to your B12 website, either automatically or manually, depending on your domain provider. By the end, you'll know how to sync your domain, manage email options, and verify your connection so your website appears under your custom domain. Take note that this feature requires a basic subscription or higher. First, log into your B12 account and click Domains from the left sidebar menu. If this is your first domain, click Connect Domain I already own. Enter your domain name, starting with www. If you want this domain to be recognized as your official domain by search engines, check Make this my primary domain. This automatically adds a canonical tag to all your website pages, telling search engines which domain is preferred. If you have a client engagement seat, you can also set up email forwarding or email sending here. Check Enable email sending if you'd like to send messages through B12 but receive emails through another service. Check Enable email forwarding if you don't have an existing email service and you want to create a custom email address for your domain. When you're ready, click Sync Domain, then Continue. B12 can automatically detect your domain provider and prompt you to log in. Sign into your domain account, and B12 will automatically update your DNS values to connect your website. It may take a few hours for your domain to show as connected in the editor, and up to 24 to 48 hours for your website to appear on your domain. If automatic connection isn't available, you can connect your domain manually. If your provider isn't found, search for your provider in the list for detailed instructions. If it's not available, click Go to our manual setup. Copy the required value listed next to A record and C name record. In a new browser tab, log into your domain registrar's account and open your DNS management or DNS zone settings. Delete any existing A records or C name records for @ or www. Now create two DNS records. Copy and paste the C name value and A record value to your domain registrar's settings. Save your DNS changes. Go back to the B12 editor, then click I have added 2 of 2 records above to my domain's provider, followed by Done. Finally, return to your B12 account's domain section to view your connection status. Once your DNS updates are recognized, the status will change to Connected, and your website will appear on your custom domain. Once your domain is connected, you can publish your website and start sharing your new website link with the world. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.